data channel. And so today we will be coming up with one of the exciting news that Microsoft has just announced a couple of days back with a 50% saving on the certification. It is basically a discount that you will get on part of the DP-700. So DP-700, as you might know, if you don't know, so DP-700 is a Microsoft Fabric Data Engineering Associate certificate. It is a new certificate that is for Microsoft data. I mean, whoever want to understand Microsoft Fabric in detail from the data engineering perspective. So there is a DP-600, so that is related to again a fabric, but that is from the data analyst perspective, where it is more concentrating on the Power BI and other data analysis aspects of it. But this particular certification, if you are looking, if you are a data engineer and if you already might have the DP 203 certification already, and if you may or you may not have, right? So either you have DP 203 or you just want to take the data engineering certification from Microsoft, which is relevant to Fabric. So if you are interested in Azure, if you're interested in Microsoft data engineering landscape, so this is the only certification from the data engineering perspective that you have to concentrate, right? And which will definitely help you advance in your career and also where you are working in your data engineering roles, right? So this is a limited period offer, so and also a limited quantity, right? So there might be around some amount of vouchers that they would be giving in, and we don't know when exactly this will close, right? So it's better to utilize it as soon as possible, right? So what are the steps we will quickly explain in this video. Before proceeding, if you are new to the channel, we would recommend you to please subscribe and also press bell button for instant notifications. So let's get started. Okay, so let us see step by step. So the step number one here is to have the account under Microsoft Fabric community, right? So that means you need to be part of Microsoft Fabric community. You can see here, so there is an option of register and sign in. So you need to, if you are not registered still now, so it is the first time, so you need to click on register and it will just ask very basic details like email ID and email ID and name kind of details. So you can just register in couple of clicks. Once that is done, so you'll be able to log into that. And once you kind of click on, once you register to that Microsoft Fabric community, so you'll be able to see this message, welcome to the congratulations on joining the Fabric community, right? So once this is done, so you have completed the step number one, right? So now let's go to the step number two, right? The step number two is you need to have a MS Learn profile. So MS Learn profile, it is like you might have already used this, like if you are done the previous certifications. So it will actually have all the career path of all the Microsoft, maybe it is Azure, Power BI, right? Power Platform, Fabric. So all these learning paths will be there from the different role perspective as well. So this is a Learn Microsoft Learn portal. So you need to kind of be part of this. You might already be having it, but if not, you need to again sign in using your Microsoft account, right? So once you do that, so you'll be able to see the Microsoft Learn account. So I have already logged into the Microsoft account, right? So you'll be able to see all your certification. If you are into this page, you will be able to understand that. So this is a home page of Microsoft Learn. So you should be part of this, and then so this is a step number two, right? And third step is anyway optional here, but what we'll be discussing is the in this particular step where we are talking about the options to kind of get eligibility, right? See, first is join Fabric account, you need to have Learn account, you need to have Microsoft Learn account. After having these two things, the next step is you need to either have the previously passed the DP 203 certification, or you might have completed all the Microsoft Fabric learning plan. So you need to go to this link, and because you are already part of a Microsoft Learn account, so you'll be able to take this course. You just need to click on start and you can just go all through complete all these modules. So either you can do that, right? So they have given specifically, or it is like step one or step two or step three, either at least one of them. So if you have multiple, that is fine, but at least one should be there to have this eligibility. So either DP 2.0 or Fabric Learning Path, and the third option is you need to attend the DP700 live or demand classes. So this is again this will be having a specific time. You need to register to this, as you can see, registered, and you will be having a certain time. So next is like they will give when it is coming up in your respective time zones, right? Live. So next is, if you can see, like February 11th is there, February 12th is there. You can click and go ahead and register. So you need to check the Fabric events here. Okay, you need to click on register, and you can sign into that Microsoft account that you're using, and you can register to the next live streaming classes. So you will be getting the link and you can attend the live streaming classes. So that is the third option. So once you have all these three options completed, right? So and you are confident to take exam, so you are like you can go ahead and schedule the examination. Okay, but the important thing here is within 30 days of receiving the 50% discount, you have to take the exam. So only when you're confident, you need to claim this voucher, because it is having a just a 30 days of it will expire. It is after 30 days. So you need to use that voucher within 30 days once you get it, which is very important, right? So quickly, let's go and recap what we are discussing, right? So the recap, you can see, first thing is you need to have a Microsoft Learn account. I'll be providing the link for this in the description. And next is registered for the Fabric community. Again, I'll be providing link in the description. And once you have these two, again, I'll be providing one more link in the description. So basically there will be three links in the description. So third link you can go ahead and use where you can kind of go to a place where you can see this option 1, 2 and 3, right, where it will have the link of 1, 2 and 3. So which I was just showing you, this particular, right? So you have a link for 2 and 3. Anyway, DP 203 is, anyway, you might have already done. If you're not done, it's okay. You can go to the step 2 and 3. So this link also I'll be posting as part of this option 2 and 3. You can go ahead and complete this, either option 2, 3 or 1. Okay, once you have either of them, right, 1, 2 or 3. So basic is you need to have these two, and then option 1, option 2, option 3, you need to have any one of these, and then you are ready to claim the certification. How do you claim the certification? Again, you need to sign in here, right? So once you sign in, right, so you'll be able to see the location here. So you can select the location of your country, and you need to give the Microsoft Learn username. If you don't know, you can click on this username. It will display your username. You can just copy paste that, and you can just describe why you want to earn the Fabric certification. And also you can just click any one of these. Yeah, again, you need to be careful which you have completed, which eligibility you have. So then within a week or so, Microsoft team will validate whether your eligibility, and they will pass on the vouchers to your email IDs. So again, you need to click all of this and kind of give the acknowledgement and request the vouchers using this link. So yeah, this is a quick video about how do you claim the discount, as it is a time bound and it might expire anytime, and it is just having a 20,000 vouchers, and it is a time bound also and quantity bound also. Time bound is like 31st 31st March 2025 is the date which Microsoft says it this discount might get over. So within next 1 or 2 months, utilize this opportunity, and there are just 20,000 vouchers. Please note that, and hope this was useful. Any questions? Please feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.